naging issue sa amin dalawa eh. Pero ito, nagulat lang sila nung sinabi ko na Ate May na sinagot ko na siya. Gusto ko po pasalamat sa ganito at saka siya na mamaya gusto kong ipag-pray kami pastor.
Ay, madami to ha? Dahil mo ba? Hindi na mamamagaan. Okay, dahil mo dapat umiyak.
Oh, next song again. Ayaw niya magsalita. Next one, maybe bigyan lang sa baby. Baby po yung words of endearment namin sa isa't isa. Makita niyo naman po sa Facebook. So we used to call each other baby. Baby. Maybe bigyan lang po sa baby. Kanina kapit ko lang yung sa likod.
Hindi natin nakita, no?
Paano ba nakapasok yan dyan? Wala nang pintuan dyan ah.
Wala naman. Hindi. Muntik nang mapipi kanina. Ayun. Ayun, lagi ko pong ina-assure sa kanya kasi pag nag-uusap kami, nagtatanong siya. Hanggang sa mga lab. Lagi siya nagtatanong ng ganun. Pero gusto kong basahin sa verse. Ay, sa song. Basahin mo lang po yung song. Psalm chapter 136, verses 1. Mag-start po sa verse 1. Sabi mo sa verse 1, give thanks to the Lord for He is good, His love endures forever. Give thanks to the God of gods, His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord of lords, His love endures forever. To Him who alone does great wonders, His love endures forever. Who, by His understanding, made the heavens, His love endures forever. Who spread out the earth upon the waters, His love endures forever. Who made the great lights, His love endures forever. The sun to govern the day, His love endures forever. The moon and stars to govern the night, His love endures forever. To Him who struck down the firstborn of Egypt, His love endures forever. And brought Israel out from among them, His love endures forever. With a mighty hand and outstretched arm, His love endures forever. To Him who divided the Red Sea, asunder, His love endures forever. And brought Israel through the midst of it, His love endures forever. But swept Pharaoh and his army to the Red Sea, His love endures forever. To Him who led His people through the desert, His love endures forever. Who struck down great kings, His love endures forever. And killed mighty kings, His love endures forever. Simon, king of Amorites, His love endures forever. And Og, king of Bashan, His love endures forever. And gave their land as inheritance, His love endures forever. An inheritance to His servant Israel, His love endures forever. To the one who remembered us in our low state, His love endures forever. Freeing us from our enemies, His love endures forever. And who gives food to every creature, His love endures forever. His love endures forever. Give thanks to the God of heaven, His love endures forever. Ang gusto ko lang emphasize dun sa chapter na binasa ko, yung God's love never fails. Kasi sinabi ko po sa kanya noon before, sabi niya, hanggang saan mo daw? Sabi ko, assurance na mabibigay ko lang sa'yo, as long as God loves me. Mahal kita, mamahalin kita. Eh, yun yung assurance. Sabi nga po, God's love never fails. So, hindi ko pa po pwede yung pag-ibig ng Panginoon sa akin, at the same as well, yung pag-ibig sa akin. Although may mga nangyari hindi maganda this past mga panahon, kasi yun na po, as you know, wala na po siyang father, wala na po siyang mother. So, thankful ako dahil na-meet ko yung mother niya bago siya wala. And bago nakakachat ko yung tita niya, sabi daw ng mama niya, pinagkakatiwanan daw sa akin siya. So, ayun, thankful naman ako dahil sa mama niya dahil bigay or good trust. At saka, nagsabi na rin po ako sa aking mga relatives. And ayaw ko rin magpagaling pa, meron ako isang bagay na gusto kong itanong sa kanya. But maybe gusto ko tayong message. Ang sagot mo.
Basahin mo kasi, Dick.
Baby. Sabi niya kasi gusto niya pag inasal kami, yung daw forest green, kaya niya gusto color green. Ano ba? Sabi niya, sumagot na siya. So ito naman sa ito. Kasi ito naman sa ito. Good morning. Iba pala. Thank you po.
Life endures forever.
Yan, gusto ko po yung salamat sa inyo, lalo na sa church. Dahil alam ko po, yun nga po, from the start, nandun na kayo at alam ko dun sa gagawin po namin yung pakasal, kasama pa rin po namin. Pag-pray lang yung pastor.
Tell me everything. You are the one I cherish more than